Good morning to all. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessor and microcontroller, Unit 5, the 8051 microcontroller interfaces and applications. In the previous section, you can study the various applications that, for example, keyboard interfacing, LCD interfacing. Now, in this session, today we are going to discuss about the servo motor interfacing of 8051 microcontroller. Here the servo motor working principle and the interfacing with the 8051 microcontroller. The servo motor are self-contained mechanical device that are used to control the machines with a great precision. These are found in many applications from toys to industrial automation. There is various kinds of motor, but servo motor are especially designed for specific angular position to control the machines. Usually, the servo motor is used to control the angular motion among 0 to 180 degree and 0 to 90 degree. Now, the servo motor working principle based on the PWM, that is a pulse width modulation pulses. Next one, servo motor interfacing with the 8051 microcontroller. A servo motor is one of the most common used for precise angular movement. The advantages of using a servo motor is that angular position of the motor can be controlled without any feedback mechanism. The servo motor are usually used in commercial and industrial applications. They are also widely used as a drive system as just as robotics and aeroplanes. So these are the we see the picture of servo motor to control the Atmel 8051 microcontroller. The pins are connected in the P0.5 support input and output pin port circuit is connected in the servo motor, and the supply voltage is connected to the power supply unit, and the ground position connected to the ground terminal. To apply the oscillating frequency, the servo motor, the angular position will be changed. Now, working conditions. It consists of 3 wires where 2 of them black and red used to provide the power, and the third wire is used to provide control signals. The PWM waves are used as control signals, and the angular positions is defined by the width of the pulse at the control input. In this paper, the servo motor have angular rotation from 0 to 180 degree, and angular position can be controlled by varying the duty cycle among 1 millisecond to 2 millisecond. Here the servo motor interfacing with the 8051 microcontroller, the black wire connected to the ground pin, and the motor get to power from the red wire. The control of the servo motor connected to port 0 of the 8051 microcontroller. The 11.0592 MHz crystal oscillator is used to provide the clock pulse to the controller, and 22 picofarad ceramic capacitors used to stabilize the operation of crystal, and 10 kilo ohm and 10 microfarad capacitor is used to provide the power on the reset to the microcontroller. So these are the function of operation of servo motor. And the controlling a servo motor with angular rotations. Servo motor working principle mainly depends upon duty cycles. It uses pulse width modulation, that is a wave, as control signals. The angle of rotation is resolved by the pulse width of the control pin. Here the servo motor used for angular of rotation from 0 to 180 degree. We can control the precise angular position by varying the pulse among 1 millisecond to 2 millisecond. And then various applications of servo motor. It is used to press machines for cutting the pieces to size. It is used to sugar filling stations and also labeling applications, and it is used to packing system with random timing functions, and also it is used to aeroplanes and robotics. Thank you for watching this video.